good morning to all of you. Well, I'll begin by telling you the homework first. This is your homework for the session which is going to happen. This is the homework which you need to submit by 9 p.m. tomorrow. That is 9 p.m. of Tuesday. So the homework is, there are 5 questions. The first 3 questions it is written, find the domain. So fx is x cube minus 5x plus 3 by x square minus 1. You have to find the domain. Second, fx is 1 by root over x plus modulus of x. Okay, you have to find the domain. Third is fx is e to the power x plus sin x. So you have to find the domain of these 3 functions. Fx is x cube minus 5x plus 3 by x square minus 1. Fx is 1 by root over x plus mod x. Fx is e to the power x plus sin x. So these 3 functions you have to find the domain. Then we come to the range. Find the range. So the first question is number 4, fx is modulus of x minus 3. The second question is number 5, fx is x by 1 plus x square. So these 3 functions you have to find the domain, and these 2 functions you have to find the range. So this is your homework. Now how do you find the domain and how do you find the range? Now to find the domain, there are 2 rules. Okay, one is so there are 2 rules. One is that denominator cannot be 0, and the second is square root of negative number is not allowed. In domain, you just have to watch out for 2 rules. One is that denominator can't be 0, and the second is that square root of negative number is not allowed. So denominator can't be 0. Like suppose if I tell you find the domain of 1 by x plus 2. Suppose if I say to you find the domain of 1 by x plus 2. So the answer will be the domain is x not equal to minus 2. So you have to find the domain of 1 by x plus 2. Answer will be x is not equal to minus 2. Because denominator cannot be 0, right? And square root of negative number is not allowed. So suppose if I ask you what is the domain of root over 16 minus x square. Suppose if I ask you what is the domain of root over 16 minus x square. So 16 minus x square has to be greater than equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 4 is less than equal to 0. So if you draw a wavy curve, you know that 16 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 4 is less than equal to 0. If you draw a wavy curve, then this product has to be less than 0. So the answer will be over here. That means the answer will be that it lies between 4 and minus 4, right? So 16 minus x square greater than equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 4 less than equal to 0. So the answer will be that x lies between minus 4 and plus 4. That will be the answer, right? So that will be the domain. Okay, now we come to range. Now how do you do range? Now in range you have 2 choices. You can express x in terms of y, and then just do the same things what you will do for domain. So suppose if I say to you find the range of this. Suppose if I say find the range of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So you have to express x in terms of y. So if you write y equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x, so y into 1 minus x is 1 plus x. So y minus 1 is x into y plus 1, so x is y minus 1 by y plus 1. So you can write x in terms of y, and then you just proceed like you had done for domain. So you know that denominator can't be 0, so the range will be y not equal to minus 1. That will be the range. See, that is one way of finding the range. You express x in terms of y and just do like you did for domain. The other method is that you have found a sum which is either modulus or square root. Now modulus and square root, it is very difficult to open it up and analyze it. So it's better you just observe and say the answer. So suppose if I say root over 16 minus x square, you tell me the range. Suppose if I say like this. So you have to say the range of root over 16 minus x square. So you know that x has to be between minus 4 and 4. So basically you know that x square can be 0, like minimum, and maximum 16. So if x square is 0, this whole thing is how much? 4. If x square is 16, this whole thing is how much? 0. So that means the range will be 0 to 4. Because if x square is 0, this will be 4. If x square is 16, this is 0. So range will be 0 to 4. So this is the technique to find domain and range, and these are your 5 homework questions. You submit the homework anytime before 9 p.m. Tuesday. That's all for this meeting. Bye all.